on the 50 franc note integrates the new cinematic security strip.
And the microtext remains legible at this magnification.
Check the alignment on the microtext here.
Looks sharp. Ensure the globe symbol rotation is precise for the 200 series.
Here we see the 9th series Swiss Franc DuraSafe substrate. Inspection lights scan for the embedded security threads and the transparent cross windows. Series Swiss francs utilize the advanced DuraSafe substrate, incorporating visible security fibers and the transparent Swiss cross window.
Shift from green to purple is stable at this concentration.
Confirmed. The ratios on the screen align with the desired CHF 9th series specifications.
Guides synchronized.
Plates secured. Ready for press activation.
Right here confirms the magnetic alignment.
Yes, the stability is exactly what we expected from the 9th series ink.
Here we examine the microperforation, a crucial security feature. Held against the light, the intricate Swiss
The serial numbers are checked for position and clarity, a crucial step in maintaining the integrity of the Swiss franc.
The density of the UV ink registration is perfect on this specimen.
Agreed. The randomization of the fibers matches the serial batch as well.
confirmed. Matches the manifest.
Quantity verified. We can move this pallet.
Authorization confirmed on screen.
Verified. Containers are clear for release.
Verified on 30B.
Yes, verified and tracked.
Proceed with transfer to level 2.